Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Place the Colorchecker Passport where it receives identical light as your subject. You want the chart to represent the scene. You shoot RAW because it preserves full color data for profiling. Once positioned, frame tightly so the chart fills a decent portion of the image and avoid reflections or shadows on the patches. Make a test exposure. If highlights clip, reduce exposure. Make sure to capture both the chart and your subject in the same lighting to create an accurate profile. Import the shot into Lightroom or Camera Raw so you can export an unmodified DNG or use the provided chart image. Then open the Colorchecker software. It detects the chart automatically and maps measured patches to known values. Click Create Profile and name it for the lighting situation. This translates your camera's response into a corrected color space. Once done, install the profile into your editing app and apply it to all images shot under that same light for consistent, accurate color. Apply the custom profile to your RAW files and compare the result to the original. You should see more accurate neutrals and saturated tones corrected. If needed, adjust white balance, exposure, or tint. The profile handles overall color response but not creative tweaks. Once satisfied, synchronize edits across the batch. If colors look off, reshoot the passport under identical lighting. Small changes in angle, intensity, or clipped highlights invalidate the profile, so recapture the chart to fix persistent.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.